National Defense Academy or NDA offers a great opportunity for aspirants to join the Indian Armed Forces as officers. It allows young and dynamic candidates to become a part of the Indian Army, Air Force, or Navy and serve the nation with loyalty and dignity. If you have completed your 12th standard and looking for something adventurous and prestigious career option, Indian Armed Forces are calling you. No doubt there are plenty of career options available for the candidates after passing class 12th, so you might want to know why to join NDA. And there are many reasons and there are plenty of benefits of choosing Indian Armed Forces as a career. We need to also understand that various people will have various important notations which include respect and pride, job security and satisfaction, great facility for family and spouse, handsome pay scale, international visit during official exchange programs, charisma of the uniform, the badge and the stars, excellent social status, variety and adventurous life, economic stability and whatnot. There will be many issues which will be considered if you are a part of the National Defense Academy. NDA, which is located at Kharatwasla near Pune, is celebrating its Raising Day today, and each and every particular person of this country, every citizen and SSB crack exams wishes every ex-NDA cadet and every person who's serving, who's directly or indirectly a part of NDA, a very happy Raising Day. To mark the occasion, a rat-ling ceremony will be organized at the Hut of Remembrance for gallant officers from the Academy. The Academy was set up as the Joint Services Wing of the Armed Forces on January 1st in 1949 at Clement Town in Dehradun. While the first course had commenced on January 9th the same year, the academy was shifted to the present campus at Khadakwasla in October 1954. NDA was inaugurated by Morarji Desai, the then Chief Minister of Bombay, on January 16th, 1955, marking it today is going to be considered as the 66th Raising Day of this vibrant institution. Every year, 2 batches of cadets passes out from this Tri-Services Military Academy to continue with 1 year of pre-commissioning training at the academies of their respective forces, which include Indian Military Academy in Dehradun, Air Force Academy in Dundigal, and Indian Naval Academy in Esimala. Till now, Academy has produced more than 39,000 officers who have served over land, sea, and air over years. A very happy Raising Day towards each and every particular candidate who is directly and indirectly affiliated towards the National Defense Academy. First and foremost, I would like to remember you about what is actually NDA, sir. It is a joint tri-service academy and it is the first tri-service academy in the whole world. That means this is the first academy that has been established in the whole world to be including about all the 3 services, which include Army, Navy and Air Force, to train all of these 3 services cadets all at a single time. It is located in Khadakwasla in Pune in Maharashtra, and it is the first tri-service academy in the whole world. So every particular candidate after their 12th class, if they want to become a part of the Indian Armed Forces and if they want to serve as an officer in the Indian Army, Navy and Air Force, it is compulsory for them to get completely trained under 3 years important curriculum program under the National Defense Academy syllabus. 3 years they will be serving in the NDA and later on they will be going on with their further pre-commissioning training. When was this particular story of NDA happened, sir? It was happening in long back in 1945, 2 years before we got our independence. At that time, the then government of India has appointed a high-powered committee, and this committee was going to review a complete analysis and details regarding establishment of a military academy. And this military academy will be incorporating all the best practices of the worldwide academies. So they have considered about how the military academies in the world, which include the military academies of USA, Russia, and various other countries, how are they actually functioning, taking into consideration about all the other world class academies. They are started to completely analyze, and this particular high powered committee will be looking upon to establish and provide a report into inclusion of the joint training of the future officers of the Indian Army, Indian Navy and Indian Air Force. 1 year later, on 1946, in the year, this particular report has been submitted by the high powered committee, and according to the provisions given up by this particular report, Indian Military Academy, which was existent at that time, Dehradun, it was renamed as Armed Forces Academy, sir. Okay, so Indian Military Academy was again renamed as Armed Forces Academy, and it was split into 2 wings. The first wing was military wing and the second wing was inter-services wing. So every particular candidate has to go on with inter-services wing, and later on they will be shifted towards the military wing. Inter-services wing, it was there at the Dehradun itself, but under the supervision of the then commandant Major General E. Habibullah, he had taken into consideration, and in January of 1949, the complete inter-services wing moved from Dehradun all the way up to Khadakwasla in Pune. Okay, and if you can remember the library, the complete very big library building in NDA Khadakwasla, it is renamed as Habibullah Hall and all. So you can even go through with those details if you are very staunch aspirant to get into the NDA. Going through later on 6th of October 1949, few months later on this particular date, the foundation stone of renaming this particular complete wing as a separate academy known as the National Defense Academy was laid down by the then Prime Minister Shri Jawaharlal Nehru ji. Okay, then later on, after a few years, on 16th of January 1955, NDA was formally inaugurated by the then Chief Minister of the Bombay, Shri Morarji Desai sir. Later on, after a few months, on 5th of June 1955, the first passing out parade has happened, and in that particular first POP, it was actually reviewed by Jawaharlal Nehru. This is the main genesis of the NDA, and in a very short and a very crisp story, have given you the complete details of the NDA. If you have to go through about the insignia and motto of the NDA, this is how the insignia of the National Defense Academy looks. The two swords in the particular insignia, they indicate the Indian Army. The eagle is a Garuda eagle. It indicates about the power of the Indian Air Force. And if you see the small anchor in the background, that anchor, it indicates about the power of the Indian Navy. So this particular tri-services completely service pendant is been proposed and it has been showcased in the insignia. It clearly indicates that this academy is a tri-service academy and they followed their motto as Seva Paramo Dharma. Recently, before when NDA was completely starting in its future days, in its first initial days, what happened was they have considered to be taking the motto from a very important Bhagavad Gita phrase which include Karmanyevadikaraste Ma Phaleshu Kadachana. I repeat, Karmanyevadikaraste Ma Phaleshu Kadachana. It clearly mentions that your duty is action with no eye on the fruits it will bring. That means whatever work you do, you need to focus upon how beautifully you are doing that particular work. You need to keep all your focus only on the work. You should not focus anything upon the result, because whatever work you do, that work is in your hands, but the result is not in your hands. So it is waste of your time to think about the results. It is very important, whichever is there in your hands, you need to only work upon that. So that is known as the karma. Okay, according to that, that is known as the karma siddhanta of Bhagavad Gita. So it clearly mentions that you need to only focus upon karma, never focus upon the phala or the results it will bear. Okay, so this is known as the important Gita phrase, and this clearly indicates about the service before self. Whatever work you're doing, let it be a good work or let it be any kind of service, if you're serving it, you're doing only for the sake of the service. You are not focusing upon what kind of name and fame do you get. Okay, you serve for the purpose of serving. You love for the sake of love. You work for the sake of work. You grow for the sake of growth. So it was long back in the 1950s, it was decided to do away with this English motto, and they have a corresponding Sanskrit version, and they have come up with an English version of which one is known as the Seva Paramo Dharma, and this can be translated to English as service before self. Okay, the main mission of NDA is to provide highest standards of focused training in the professional, intellectual and physical and leadership spheres, as also moral and ethical grooming to cadets using innovative cadets technologies, corporate and modern practices, with a view to providing the armed forces competent potential junior leaders with high standard of integrity, equipped to function in the battlefield of future and capable of leading the troops to victory. Okay, if you have to cut down this mission into different parts, I would like to say that the mission of NDA is to provide those cadets who are professionally capable, who are very intellectually strong, who are strong physically, and they are completely filled up with proper leadership qualities, and they have very good moral etiquette, and they all follow proper ethics and proper morals. They are all innovative, and this particular technology, this particular training given by NDA is completely technologically derived, and they will be given proper emphasis on the corporate and modern practices that the world is facing, and will provide these armed forces and to provide these future warriors into the Indian Army, Navy and Air Force as competent potential junior leaders with high standard of integrity. Integrity means what, sir? Integrity means doing work on a proper period of time. Even when nobody is watching, you will always have to stay strong and you need to always follow the righteous path. That is known as integrity. Okay, so staying in a high standard of integrity is something each and every NDA aspirant has to make sure that he is to make sure that this particular thing should be a part of his life. Okay, how to get into NDA, sir? Most probably that there is an entrance examination conducted by the Union Public Service Commission in the offline mode twice a year, and every particular 10 plus 2 candidate or the intermediate second year candidates who are going through with their 10 plus 2 or who are completely finished up with their 10 plus 2, and if their age is 16 and a half to 19 and a half years, they can apply for this particular examination, which will for the notification regarding this exam will be released twice a year. Okay, around 4 lakh aspirants will write this exam every year for only around 420 vacancies in both the academies, making this particular examination one of the most toughest examinations written by the 10 plus 2 candidates in this country. We need to understand and go through in detail that after you getting into NDA, it is very, very vibrant academy, sir, and it will provide you a proper training. A major portion of the curriculum is considered in the academic classrooms. The academic syllabus is so formulated that it is an integrated one designed to meet the specific requirement of the armed forces. Cadets are taught a large number of subjects of science, computer science, and social science, and the aim is to provide broad-based education to widen horizons and make them completely probable towards the future warriors. The aim is to provide broad-based education to widen horizons and make them capable of understanding and tackling problems that may confront them in their service careers. They are also given training in military science so that they can understand the military technology in order to exploit the modern weapon systems in the armed forces. The academy has full-fledged computer science department. Limited vacancies are available for the cadets to undergo BSc with computer science, and these vacancies are allotted on the basis of screening test held at the end of first week of the commencement of the term. Considerable emphasis is laid down on outdoor and other extracurricular activities. Extensive facilities are available for the games and sports, which include 2 Olympic-sized swimming pools, a stadium, a well-equipped gymnasium, several squash and tennis courts, a golf course. A large number of games and sports include 2 various other most important games, and various other include fields for hockey, football, cricket, basketball, polo, and other games. Khadakwasla Lake adjoining NDA provides excellent facilities for water sports throughout the year. The academy has a large number of horses, a wide inventory of water sports equipment, including boats and powered gliders for training the cadets. NDA also has an indoor shooting range for training cadets in air rifle and air pistol shooting. There are various other gallantry awards of those candidates who were the alumni of this particular famous academy, and the vibrant heroes that we need to always remember include Captain G.S. Salaria, Arun Khetarpal, and Lieutenant Arun Khetarpal and Captain Manoj Kumar Pandey. All of these 3 are alumni of the NDA. Going through with the Ashok Chakra awardees include the Lieutenant PM Raman, Wing Commander Rakesh Sharma, who is the first Indian to get into space, Lieutenant Rakesh Singh, Colonel N.J. Nair, Captain Harshan R., Major Dinesh Raghu Raman, then comes Major R.K. June, Captain A.S. Jazrotia, Lieutenant P.N. Dutt, Major Sudhir Kumar, Major Mohit Sharma, and Major S. Unnikrishnan. All of these people were awarded Ashoka Chakra, and all of these are also the alumni of the National Defense Academy. If we go through with that, these personalities are extremely strong mentally and physically, and are as of now around 31 Mahavir Chakra awardees, 162 Veer Chakra awardees, 44 Kirti Chakra awardees, and 152 Shaurya Chakra awardees are the alumni of NDA. The current chiefs of the Army, Navy, and Air Force are also the alumni of National Defense Academy, and all of them are from the same course, sir. Okay, so the current Army Chief General Manoj Mukund Narawane, Naval Chief Admiral Karambir Singh, and Air Force Chief the Air Chief Marshal Rakesh Kumar Singh Bhadoria, all of these 3 are also the alumni of the National Defense Academy. You can see their pictures, and they were also a part of it. National Defense Academy is an iconic institution and hallmark of global excellence in the sphere of military education. Over the years, it has emerged as a unique military academy, attracting the best of youth from our nation and also from friendly foreign countries, and transforming them into officers and gentlemen. During the last 6 decades of its glorious existence, the National Defense Academy has grown both in grace and grandeur, and from its portals have emerged the leaders of men who have demonstrated the essence of inter-services camaraderie and jointmanship, thereby vindicating the faith and vision of its founding fathers. Apart from leaders of men, the alumni have proved the great mountaineers, cosmonauts, sportsmen, researchers, creative writers, artists, corporate honchos, and more recently, Olympic champions too. Their achievements are all pervading and showcased in every echelon of our armed forces and also in the civil society. The cradle indeed rocked the nascent youth and groomed them into leaders who have lived up to its ethos: Seva Paramo Dharma, service before self. if in case you people are preparing and for the upcoming NDA defense examination, and if you people are those staunch defense aspirants who want to get into NDA, SSB Crack is providing you a complete detailed study material and lecture content, one of the best course content for you. You can go through and download the SSB Crack exams learning app from Google Play Store, and then subscribe yourself towards NDA study material and NDA course, wherein which we are providing you the complete detailed lecture content, sample practice questions, quizzes, exercises, and mock tests that are all made taking into consideration the latest exam patterns. So make sure that you're always with us, always never lose hope, always stay strong, stay safe, keep eating healthy food, be happy, be confident. Jai Hind.